I'm gonna be ceramic coating my GT350 today, and I've been waiting to do this for a while. I bought the product months ago, and just one thing after another, it took me a while to get it done. So in this video today, just want to see how this AV'Z graphene ceramic coating works out. I'm sure it's going to work out good. I didn't research tremendously a bunch of different ceramic coats or coatings. I did look at a few, and I like the AV'Z products. I really do, and just looking at their video extensively, I kind of like that you can go over the plastics and the glass, and I'm sure there's other ones that maybe can probably do that too. But this is what came in the kit. Came with the ceramic graphene coating, 2 fluid ounce 60 ml bottle, glass bottle. Comes with the surface prep and the ceramic boost. And then the kit also comes with these towels to wipe off the ceramic coating once you put it on, and then these white towels for the surface prep. And what I also did was I've used this a few times now. Works really good. So I have a couple newer cars, and paint wasn't too bad, just like the GT350. I really feel on the GT350 that I received, I got delivered to the dealership, as you saw in one of my previous videos, in Iowa in October. The weather was really cool. It never sat in the sun. I literally picked it up like the day after it arrived, or so, something like that, day or two. And after looking at the paint, and if you look now, I know it's hard to probably see, but it's just, the paint is like, it's really clean. Like it didn't get exposed to water. It didn't get exposed to too much. When I drove it back from Iowa, if you see that video, I used a waterless wash every single time I stopped to put gas, stopped to eat, wipe down the front and all the areas that were getting hit. So this clay mint is what I use to clay it, and it's an AV'Z, and I'm sure some of you have probably seen it. You can put your hand right in it if you want, and it works really, really good. Really makes the step pretty easy. And not only that, I just used it with when I was doing the 2-bucket method wash. I just washed the car like normal with a pressure washer, and then just used the glove to, after I went through and washed the car, to just use all the suds again, and had some clean, good soapy water, and just went over the car. So the car's fully prepped right now. It's fully prepped, it's ready to go, and I'm gonna start the process. So let's see how this AV'Z graphene looks, and then I'm gonna make some future videos. I wanna do one of my first wash after, and see how the water is running off it, see how it holds up after the first wash. And then eventually, pretty soon here actually, I'm going to want to ceramic coat my rims. I'm always taking care of my rims. I'm always washing them pretty good. If you see there, I clean them frontwards, backwards, side to side. I really take care of the rims. So if this could help me, I don't know. Drop a comment, you guys, if you want. But if ceramic coating the rims, I know it's going to be a lot of work. I'm going to be extensive with it. I'm going to polish them, ceramic coat them, and I'll probably make a video on that. And if it saves me some time after the ceramic coating, not just obviously the car, the paint, but on the wheels, if it saves me some time during my washes, even better. I'm going to start with the surface prep. So I'll go ahead and spray it on. Just in the area I know right now I'm gonna work on, which I'll do half of the front hood. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this towel for this prep. Wipe that off. That's supposed to get everything ready to lay down that ceramic coat. All right, looks good. So we're just gonna apply some right on the applicator here, just like that. I must have watched this video a dozen times, so here we go. So I'm gonna work from the inside out. So I'll go in right there. And for right now, I'm just gonna go side to side here. All right, and then I'm gonna crosshatch. This stuff goes on really nice. You can see it just like it's like a luxurious look right when it hits. It's pretty awesome. It changes like the whole. It's like a deep, like a depthness to the color. So I'm gonna apply this, just this part right here. I'll remember what I did here so I don't lose track. So you're supposed to feel it and feel the tacky once it gets tacky, which is starting to get a little tacky there. So it's almost ready. It starts to rainbow. You'll see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but if we angle the camera, maybe a little better. I don't know if you can see a rainbow, but I can definitely see them. They say when it starts to rainbow and you feel that tackiness, it should be good. So it seems like that's pretty good. Let me go ahead and start wiping it. Yeah, it looks, I gotta tell you guys this. I mean, we'll see how it holds up, but it looks amazing when you wipe it off. I mean, it's like, looks pretty awesome. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the plastic. I'm gonna add some more here to my applicator. I'm gonna put some here on my light. Yeah, that looks amazing. It's gonna protect it too. Okay, and then I can go ahead, and if you see down here, I can go ahead and, now they say, now Adam says on the plastic, you can put it on, which makes it look awesome, by the way. I know this is gonna really help with the longevity of this plastic, you know, with the heat and the sun. You know, having cars in the past, everything starts to fade and get dull. I could tell this is gonna protect it. So that's worth the investment for me, the protection. But they said you don't have to wipe off the plastic, so that makes it easier. And then I can just go right here, get this light, hit the plastic. So I'm gonna show you guys a video, or right after I'm done with the whole entire car. Hopefully there'll still be some sunlight, and we're gonna see how it looks in the sun when I'm completely done with the car. All right, so I'm gonna surface prep this part, the plastic. Just want to show how easy this stuff goes on the plastic. Let me apply the ceramic coat. If you guys, I don't know if you could see, but I can tell completely that this is changing to like an awesome, like just like lustrous black splitter in the front. So pretty awesome. I'm happy with that. I'm all done, and I hope the video will look as good as it looks in person, because wow, it came out pretty shiny. I mean, it's really popping now, so I'm pretty happy. Now, the reason I wanted a ceramic coat was, yes, I want the paint to look better, but I also, more importantly, wanted to do it for the protection of the car, the longevity of the paint, all the panels, all the plastic, all the glass, the lights. Everything is just nice. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna try to do a video here soon when I wash it the first time, just to see, you know, how good of a job that I did and how good the product works, to see how that water just should be gliding right off it. And you know, I did all the windows, just the whole car. Now the only thing I didn't do was the rims. So that's my next project. I want to pop off, I'm probably gonna pop off a couple rims and just do 2 maybe on a Saturday, and then another weekend, you know, do the back 2 on a Saturday, something like that. But you know, I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna get down low here. I even got all the plastic down by the exhaust, so everything looks good. All right, so hope you guys like the video. Like I said, I just want to be always doing things that's gonna, you know, take care of the car, and also, you know, not mess with the engine, but at the same time, you know, I want to start, and I will start tracking the car, and I just want to be doing little things that are gonna help out the performance, and that's about it. So yeah, so all right, everybody, please subscribe, like, share, and we will see each other soon.